Hi everyone, in today's video we will go through the notes of chapter 2 components of food. This chapter is there in science book of class 6. So what are the components of food? Different nutrients that are present there in the food are called components. So what are the major nutrients in the food? These are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, etc. You must have heard these names before. So, carbohydrates and fats are the mainly energy providing foods. Then, fats, you must also be aware of the fats. If we consume fats in excess, then our body will gain weight. So, if we are consuming carbohydrates and fats, we need to burn that. We need to do more physical work to convert that into energy. Then there are minerals in the food. Minerals are required in a very small quantity in our body. For example, salt is a mineral. Then we have proteins. Proteins help us in building our body. And then we have vitamins. Vitamins help us to fight the disease. Then we have in food components we have roughage. So what is roughage? Roughage is basically used to help the body to digest the food, all the foods which we consume. Then we have balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A diet in which there is a proper proportion of everything that is required for body, every nutrient like carbohydrate, protein, everything is there in balanced manner. That is called a balanced diet. Then we have deficiency disease. What are the deficiency disease? So disease which are caused due to lack of the required nutrients. When we do not consume the required nutrients for our body, we suffer from certain disease, and those diseases are called deficiency disease. And some of these diseases are listed down here. For example, when we lack protein in our body, we suffer from kwashiorkor. What is this? In this disease, our body becomes very thin, legs becomes very thin, and it looks very poor body. And then there are diseases which are caused due to deficiency of protein and carbohydrates. Vitamin D, rickets, you must be aware of. Vitamin C, scurvy is caused due to deficiency of vitamin C. Then thyroid related diseases are caused due to deficiency of iodine. Iodine is found in salt, the salt, table salt which we eat every day. Then there are diseases which are caused due to deficiency of iron. Anemia is one of them. So when someone is suffering from anemia, he will get tired very soon, and he will get pale skin, loss of appetite. So fatigue will be there. So that's all about the notes of chapter 2 components of food. If you like this video, want to watch more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Notes for chapter 1 is already there. If you want to see that video too, please go to the description box and check the link. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.